My God. Some parents are mad. Some parents are crazy. They're not supposed to be a parent. Ọlọ́run kan yọ̀ǹda ọmọ fún wọn ni. Wọ́n ná ọpọlọ láti have that status as a parent, as a mom. Sherry, our set, our age peer group, okay? Our peer group, 70% of our peer group in Nigeria, low rape. By relatives, by uncles, by friends, by church people, by people close to them. Please give me 1 minute. Please. But you know, we then when we're growing up, we're unable to communicate or say anything. Elomi called dake wo le sọ̀rọ̀. Tẹ́ bá sọ fún ìyá mi gan wọ́n ní believe. Ìyá mi go ní believe wọ́n mọ̀ pé no, how can this pastor do this to you? How can this teacher do this? How can this person do this to you? They are your family. Shut up. We grew up like that. Olushi. Ọlọ́run wá fún wọn ní opportunity láti jẹ́ kó tètè káyàn pé kò báyìí ló ń ṣe kò possible. See, there's an atom of truth from anything. Kí ló dé pé òun ni wọ́n mú? Kí ló dé pé ní gbogbo ọkùnrin tó wà compound ẹ̀ ní gbogbo kí ló dé pé òun lọ lé bẹ́ẹ̀ pé kò báyìí ló ṣe? I'm sure it's not the first nor the second or the third time. No matter, it can never be innocent. And you know how lawless this fucking country is. For some reason, he's a free man. You're a mad person. I don't know what the fuck your name is. LUMINEE, whatever your name is. Yes, people will say adults, she can do whatsoever, but if your brain is putting the society, is going to put your child, okay, into an unknown situations, if your brain is not okay for you to think and know what is the right thing, you're a threat to that child, you're a threat to us, you're a threat to yourself. We need to save you from yourself. And this is what those parents do. They are more concerned about her. Money joko, money dadeori, money jomo, money neglecting other. I don't know you. But you smell gutter. But repackage yourself as being luxury. If you're from the gutter, you will smell gutter. You are gutter luxury. Why? What? Why? Are there no Dixies outside? Reasonable ones. Find out. What the fuck? I don't care what you say about me. I'm not going to read any. I don't care. I really do not care. They need to take that girl child away from you. You're a dumb person. LUMINEE, LUMINEE, I'm disappointed. See, I used to, because of the stuff you do, I used to, you're just opportune to be, you're a dumb person, man. God.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ̀ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ìròyìn tí arábìnrin tó wà ní fídíò yìí tí mo wá mọ̀ sí BRIDGET Adébáyọ̀ tó ṣẹ̀ṣọ́ tán látàrí bí CEO LUMINEE ló ṣe bímọ fún bàbá ìjẹ̀ṣà yìí tí ó ṣẹ̀ tẹ̀wọ̀n dé láìpẹ́ yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa jẹ́ rò wípé bí arábìnrin yìí ṣe fi ẹ̀hónú rẹ̀ hàn nínú fídíò yìí dáa tàbí kò dáa rárá. Ohun tí ẹ bá lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ pàdé wa ní comment section kí a lè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀.
Danielle, get out of my front.